Hey, welcome back. And thanks for joining me on this episode of the Juice Bar. And today, what I want to do is kind of go back to some basics because I am totally just learning here and using these no code tools. And what I'm seeing that I want to dig in deeper, and I thought I would take you along on the journey, is there's these curly cues that pop up a lot. And also, this, I guess, is known as JSON, where it's a name with kind of the underline in it. So I guess I'm just going to bring you along and we're going to learn together. And I realized I need to share a broader screen because so I can look it up. So let's go. So the first thing we want to look up is tell me, I can type, about the curly brackets. Those are Python. So curly brackets served a few distinct purposes. Defining dictionaries. Curly brackets are primarily used to define dictionaries, which are unordered collections of key value pairs. Okay, yes, that makes sense. So they are, as I will show you here, when a good example is in the LLM, this is indicating that this is an input that has been saved or another property that's been created. And so yeah, that totally jives. Okay, so curly brackets mean it's a dictionary. I wonder if it means anything else. Let's just parentheses, square brackets, okay, I want to look at that too. Let's see. So defining sets and dictionaries. In my mind, those are kind of the same things. So if you know the difference between defining sets and a dictionary, please drop that in the notes. And then I want to look at this parentheses, square brackets, and curly braces in Python. Oh, they're calling them braces. So the distinct roles of parentheses. So parentheses are grouping expressions. Define the order of operations, right? We learned that in math in, I don't know what, second grade? Probably fifth grade, I don't know. Okay, and then defining and calling functions. Keyword, define the keywords. Parentheses serve to declare input parameters. Okay, defining a tuple. Oh boy. Tuple is an ordered and immutable collection of elements. Okay, so there's a tuple. Square brackets, creating lists, indexing elements, and slicing snippets. Okay. Curly braces, what do they say here? Use the dictionary. Dictionary in Python is an unordered collection of keys. Oh, can create sets too. Okay. Thanks to University of Illinois. And I wanted to also look up why would I need to use Python. Okay. So I like the natural language. JSON, as we know, is not, and we'll do a little look-see first. So there's some comparison. Actually, I think I'm in it. So JavaScript object notation. Okay. Human readable and machine parsable. Here are the key reasons. Data exchange and transmission, RESTful APIs using standard format for exchanging data. Does everybody know what clients mean in this term? So clients is going to refer to like an email client. It's kind of that platform that you interact with. Configuration files, many applications use. Front-end development, mobile applications, testing. So key benefits, readability, lightweight and compact, easy to parse and generate, language independent. Oh, that's good. Interesting. Yeah, flexible data structures. Okay. And then the one other thing I wanted to look up here is why would you use underscore when naming an input variable, indicating internal use. Okay, avoiding conflicts with keywords. Okay. Placeholder for unused variables, name mangling. Okay. So check the end for the quick update on why you would use and reference check on these various things. And then bonus points if anyone can drop in the chat what tuple stands for. All right. We'll see you back here. Have an amazing day and keep learning, keep growing, keep juicing.